Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is November the 14th on a Tuesday, and seeing a huge gap up this morning in the SPYs off the CPI numbers. It's going to be tough today as far as finding setups. Like I said, I'm not the one to chase. Luckily, I came in with about a dozen stocks, and I'll be taking some profits on the open. We'll talk about a few that I'm in that you may be able to catch, but before they rip. I've been talking about this path for a while. I have been in this for several days. Uh, Finally gapping up out of this range. Not too bad. Maybe get a pullback this morning, but once again, it's going to be tough with the gap up we're seeing today. Another one is a sign. Kind of been disappointed in this. I'm not doing a whole lot, but still, you can come in there and set a price alert at that monthly high there in ASAN. Let's see. How about TAL? China plays still on my list. I'm liking the setup here. It's above all its moving average. Is gapping up a little bit, but a very constructive chart there in TAL. The same thing with Tiger, TIGR. Just trying to find things, guys, that aren't gapping up, 2% or something like that, or getting ahead of it. A lot of ARC stocks are going to be doing well today. But let's see. Oh, yeah, one other one I think you can keep an eye on. See if it's on my list here. Upwink. Upwink is one that I am in. I've been in for about 3 days now. And, yeah, this is one that is breaking above this 5-day level here. Still think it might get to that high going back after earnings there. So keep an eye on Upwink as well. All right. Be patient. Maybe wait for pullbacks if you're looking to buy. And this could be a gap and crap. Who knows? But have a great day, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.